Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Anyas Securities, and in this video we're going to talk about the advantages of mutual fund every investor should know and why mutual funds are a great source of investment and how the investors can take advantage of it. So before understanding the advantages of mutual funds, let us spare 2 minutes to understand what are mutual funds. So mutual funds are a vehicle of investment where you can invest your money in a scheme and the experts invest that money on your behalf. So typically you don't invest in a mutual fund, but you invest through mutual funds where the experts take decision on your money and generate returns for you. So what can be the advantages over here, and we shall discuss about it. So the first advantage is professional management. The money that is invested through mutual funds are managed by professionals with more than a decade of experience. Now, if you go to a mutual fund scheme and if you read the scheme information document, you will see at the back of the scheme the fund manager, who is the fund manager, and how many years of experience he has. And this shows that a good experienced person is managing your money. So they know how to manage your risk by using proper hedging mechanisms. So when you invest a particular money into a particular asset class, there are different hedging mechanisms where you can mitigate your risk as and when the market is volatile. They allocate your money in correct proportions for you, so you don't have to worry about particular sector underperforming. So your money is allocated equally, not equally, your money is allocated in such a way that you don't have to worry about anything in the market, what is happening if a particular sector goes down, because there is a lot of risk allocation taken by distribution. The second advantage of mutual fund is that there is affordable portfolio diversification. So investing through mutual funds gives the investor the exposure a range of securities. For example, if you're investing 500 rupees in a mutual fund, so that 500 rupees gives you a security in different asset classes like equity, debt, commodities, etc. But if you yourself want to go to invest in stocks, then you probably need more capital, because the cost, for example, of one share of HDFC Bank is 1,600 rupees approximately as of today. So if you want to, you cannot distribute your money of 1,000 into different asset classes, whereas in mutual funds you can do it. So with diversification, you're ensuring that all your eggs are not in the same basket, and you're ensuring good returns and mitigating your risk. So the third most important advantage of mutual fund is that it is liquidity. If you see other asset classes like real estate, you will not have much liquidity and there will be problems of getting a buyer or a seller. But in mutual funds, the investors can recover the money, the market value of the investment from their mutual fund itself. Sometimes mutual funds have a lock-in period of 1 year, and if you exit the scheme before, then exit load of 1 to 2% is charged. So this is done to promote the idea that mutual funds should be holded for a long time, and investors should not lose the scheme, lose the opportunity by exiting the mutual fund scheme at the early. The fourth important benefit, advantage of mutual funds is that investing in mutual funds is that there is a tax benefit. Mutual funds offer options whereby the investors can let the money grow in a scheme for several years. If you are investing in a particular scheme and if you're holding that mutual fund for a long time, then as long as you don't realize your money, you don't have to pay tax on your returns. By selecting such an option, it is possible for investors to defer tax liability. This helps the investor to legally build wealth faster. So as you are not paying the tax on your unrealized profit, you are actually saving money, and you are actually helping yourself to build wealth for a long time. So other specific schemes are called equity linked saving schemes, which help the investor to benefit in deduction of subscribe amount. So this reduces your tax liability, and this tax liability can be reduced up to 1.5 lakhs in a particular scheme. So, talking about the other benefits of mutual funds as convenient options, you have a wide range of sectors, you have wide range of opportunities, a wide range of schemes from where you can select and invest. Right now, there are thematic schemes, sector-based schemes, equity, debt. So there are a lot of options where you can invest. The second is investment comfort. Once you are linked to a mutual fund, if you go through your mutual fund advisor and if you talk to him and if you clear out the discussions of the paperwork with him, then again creating an SIP, withdrawing your money, transferring your money from one scheme to another becomes very convenient for you at your comfort. So regulatory comfort. So your mutual funds are regulated by the Securities Exchange Board of India, that is SEBI, and it has very strong checks for all the mutual fund houses, which ensures safety for the investors. And the last is systematic approach for investment. So as you know, there is a concept of systematic investment plan called SIP, in which you invest a particular amount of money periodically over a long period of time. So this helps you in a lot of wealth generation over a long period of time rather than lump sum investing. So this was a short video explaining about the advantages of mutual funds. If you think I have missed some of them, then do let me know in the comments. We shall have a discussion over there. If you liked this video, then please give this video a thumbs up. And for more videos like this, you can definitely subscribe to this channel. Until then, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.